This wireless doorbell kit is built well and has a nice minimalist style. Enjoy the flexibility our chimes wireless kit creates. Will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors, ensures you will never miss a visitor. This wireless doorbell set is by far the most convenient choice for your home and business. Waterproof and robust push button, a stylish modern design in classic white. Excellent materials, keeps itself from getting higher temperature and interference. Waterproof and dustproof, remote transmitter button is rated IP44 weatherproof. Works between -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Withstand various harsh weather conditions, acceptable for outdoor use. Our doorbells are certified with CE, RoHS, FCC. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ultra long operating range. Operating range up to 1,000 feet, 300 meters in the open area. Ensures you to hear and answer the doorbell in time. Either you are occupied a few rooms away or on another floor, in the garden or kitchen, you will always be easily informed when someone is calling from outside. Never worry about missing visitors. Number 2. Widely applied and 38 ringtones. A perfect wireless doorbell kit for home, apartment, school, villas, office, warehouses, hotel, factory, hospital, and more. There are 38 different ringtones with 4 levels of adjustable volume from 25 decibels to 85 decibels. The stereo speaker delivers rich and crisp sound. Easily choose and set your favorite tones as you wish. Flashing light indicators which are easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Number 3. Warranty. Our wireless doorbell enjoys a 5-year warranty and friendly customer service. We stand behind all of our high-quality products and each is backed by the strongest manufacturer support. If you have any issues with our wireless doorbell, we're here to make things right. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the doorbell button light up? Answer. It lights up when the button is pushed to ring the doorbell. Question number 2. Does this doorbell need to be hardwired to the house? Answer. No hardwiring needed. This doorbell is wireless. Just plug the mini receiver into a socket and fix the transmitter on a wall. It works out of the box and very easy to install. Question number 3. Is the transmitter easy to activate? Could my dog do it with her nose? Answer. Yes, very easy to activate and your dog can do it with her nose. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.